Let me introduce you to the Asian lion's head. This pork meatball recipe has very many variations across Chinese cuisine. I'm sharing with you a recipe that's very popular at my home. It's light, it's flavoursome, it's steamed, and it's non-greasy. Come, let's eat.
We begin by boiling water to semi-cook our rice. In a pot, add 2 teaspoons of salt, and once it boils, add in 80 grams of pre-soaked long grain rice. Cook that to 70% done. Once it's cooked, remove, strain and hold it. Take 300 grams of pork mince. To that add 40 grams of chopped smoked bacon and grind that to a paste. Remove the paste to a bowl. Add in 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, salt half a teaspoon and sugar 1 teaspoon. Mix that well. Add in chopped spring onion scallion 1 bulb, chopped ginger 1-inch piece, chopped garlic 4 to 6 pearls and 3 Thai red chilies chopped up. Add in fresh breadcrumbs of 3 slices and mix that well. Make light and loose roundels of the meatballs. Roll these meat roundels into the semi-cooked rice, wrapping and enveloping each pork meatball well. Once it is done, oil a couple of food-safe leaves and place the meatballs on this oiled leaf, which is placed in a steamer plate. Steam the meatballs enveloped with rice for 20 minutes in a boiling steamer. 20 minutes are done. Our pork lion's head is cooked steaming hot, moist and juicy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come, let's